Hello, in this video I want to show you the tools I'm using to make the rockets in my garage. So I built a very simple hydraulic press. It is based on the hydraulic jack, two-tone hydraulic jack. You can see how it's made. It's pretty simple. I have two plates, two iron plates of 1 inch thick. I bought the threaded rods in Home Depot, drilled the holes, and here it is. Very simple, very easy to make, and it has an adjustable height. I also installed the pressure gauge to the bottle jack just for consistent pressing force applied to the propellant, and it works really well. It's a high pressure gauge. It measures up to 6,000 psi of pressure. Then my rocket motors are based on these spiral paper tubes. This is a 3.5 inch long paper tube, a three-quarter inch internal diameter, and I'm using this heavy-duty case to protect this paper tube from breaking when I press the propellant inside this tube. Okay, if the case is not used, the lower pressure has to be used, or the higher quality paper tube has to be used. With the case like this, you can use even a cheaper spiral paper tubes. And this is what some people call a spindle. This spindle is used to form a nozzle and to form an internal channel inside the fuel to create a core burner rocket. So obviously it goes like this, and if you look inside the tube, you can see there is this tapered rod providing a core burner configuration of the motor. And this is the pressing rod used to press the motor. This is just a cylinder with a hole. And by the way, this rubber ring is very, very important. It doesn't allow the dust to go out when you're pressing the powder. Yeah, very nice safety feature. And I also made these measuring scoops. You see, they are tapered and they perfectly fit inside the paper tube. So again, the dust cannot get out when you pour the powder inside, and they are having the transparent bottom, so you can always see there is no powder left in the scoop. Yeah. And as a propellant, I'm using the black powder. This is, as you can see, this is a 60 to 30 to 10%, 60% of the potassium nitrate, 30% of the charcoal, and 10% of the sulfur. This is slightly a slower mix than a conventional black powder. Conventional has 75, 15 to 10%. Yeah, this is a slower mix that works fine with the configuration of the spindle with the length of this tapered rod. The real 75 by 15 by 10 powder can also be used, but I guess the length of this rod should be just a little bit shorter, or there shouldn't be a rod at all, just maybe short like this to create a nozzle, and that's it. And you're gonna use it as a end burner configuration. This is also possible. And I'm also using even slower mix for the delay. I'm adding titanium powder inside this delay mix to create a beautiful white sparks in the sky. Yeah. So it's pretty easy, nothing special. And in my next video, I'm gonna show you the actual process of making the rocket motor. Thank you. Bye.